Hi all, today we are going to see how we can implement this bullet chart in Power BI. Bullet chart, it will be like this. So this chart, it will not be available in this standard visual, which we will be having it in Power BI right here. We will not be having this bullet chart here. So we will be having that bullet chart in custom visuals. So mostly the in custom visual will be, we need to pay a certain amount and we need to get the visual. So it will be like a paid visual. So instead of that, client will be yeah, asking us to implement only in this standard visual. So they will be preferring only the standard visual, not the custom visual part, because they need to pay the amount, right? So they will request us to implement within this standard visual. So we can see what are all the workaround we can do it, and how to implement this visual in Power BI with the standard visual. So for that, so either we can take this clustered bar chart, or this clustered column chart, we can take it. These two visuals we can take it. So we have the data like this. So again, certain invoice number, customer have paid some amount. This is the amount which they need to pay. This is the amount which we have received. So what are all the balance amount which it's been listed out here. So we need to compare these two. How much amount they need to pay, how much amount we have received it. So we need to compare these two columns. So we can see how we can do that. So I'm going to take this clustered column chart now. So, what I'm going to do is, in x-axis, I'll drag this customer name. So we need to first drag this total amount which customer need to pay. So this is the total amount. So I will switch on this data labels. So this customer need to pay this much amount. This customer need to pay this much amount. So this is the visual which we have now. So we need to have that bullet point here. So we can see this is the amount which this customer have paid. We can have the comparison directly. So for that, what we need to do is, we need to go to this option, add further analysis to your visual. So click on this option. So click expand this error bar here. Switch on this enable option here. Under this upper bound and lower bound, add that amount which we need to compare against with this amount. So received amount we need to compare it, right? So click on this received amount. In lower bound also you can click on this received amount. So there will be one of the some point, it will be enabled here. So to expand that, to enable that, what we can do is, we can increase the width of that bar. So 10 is the maximum size. So here we can choose whatever the color which we needed. And border, if you can observe here, it is getting changed. The border we can click black color, and border size also we can increase it. After that, marker size we can increase it till 10. It's the maximum size. So if you want to, so if you are thinking this is somewhat odd, you can change the color as well. So if you can see here, there is a line here. So we can enable the error label here. So we can see against this 17.9K, only we have received 17.0K amount, only we have received it. So still we need to receive certain amount. So likewise, we can enable this error bar, and we can achieve this bullet chart here. If you can observe here in tooltip, we can see lower and upper. That is not a appropriate way to display this chart. So what we can do is, we can create a custom tooltip for this, and it will be useful for client to view the tooltip as well. So this is how we can achieve this bullet chart in Power BI with the standard visuals. Thank you all.